What's up YouTube? Silver Dragons here, and in this video I'm showing all of the molds for the pour party tonight, and also I'm going to talk about the giveaway that I'm going to be doing. So let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. This is the pre-order video for pour party number 6. So I'm going to be pouring silver live tonight at 6 p.m. Pacific time, 9 p.m. Eastern time. I'm going to be pouring all of these molds. I'm really excited. It's going to be a blast and a ton of fun. So if you haven't been to a pour party yet, definitely try and show up tonight. This is my first time ever doing it on a Wednesday, and I always do a giveaway at the end of the pour party. So let me go over the molds here real quick and show you what all we're going to be pouring, and then I'll talk about the giveaway. So we have the bar molds here on the side. So this one here usually is around 2 to 3 ounces for a bar. If you want to pre-order anything for tonight, all you got to do is drop a comment in this video, or you can always shoot me an email or direct message me on Instagram and let me know what you would like to pre-order, and then I will write you down and I'll make sure that you get a pour tonight. If you just show up to the party, you may or may not be able to get a pour, but if you pre-order something, then definitely I'll make sure that you get it. So the other stuff I'm offering is the Kit Kat bar mold here. Now, every time I pour the Kit Kats, everyone freaks out and says they want one, but I don't get a lot of pre-orders. So if you want a Kit Kat, these are usually around 1.5 to 2 ounces. Definitely let me know. Those are fun and very popular. Then I have the 5-ounce bar. These have ripples for days. Now, sometimes you go a little bit over 5 ounces. It's around 4 to 6 ounces on these bars, but really cool, really fun. The bigger the bar, the bigger the ripples. And then this one here is my smaller bar mold. It's usually around 1 to 2 ounces. And then we're getting into the fun stuff here. So we have the return of the Bitcoin mold. This one was really cool. We did Bitcoins ranging from about 4 to 5.5 ounces. So these ones are pretty big. We might be able to go down to like 3 ounces, but if you want a Bitcoin, definitely let me know. These are really fun and really cool. And then we're doing the American flags again. These are really awesome. The Made in the USA American flag. We'll make sure to do the Pledge of Allegiance when we pour these tonight. We're also going to be doing the heart mold. This is really fun. These hearts are usually around 2 ounces, and they make great gifts for a loved one. We can do custom stamping on these. I do offer custom stamping as well as antiqued, finished, and hammered edges. It's just $3 extra for any one of those things, so just let me know. And then we also have the skull rounds. These are really cool. These end up looking awesome. So it's a skull round. I'm going to be doing regular rounds tonight. I haven't done regular rounds in a while, but these are just going to end up being like sort of a, a circular round, and I'll put my dragon stamp on the top where the ripples are. These are usually between 1.5 and 2.5 ounces, somewhere in there for the regular dragon rounds. We will be doing the cowboy again, which is, it's like a skull. Let me see if there we go. It's a cowboy skull, and he's using his Second Amendment rights with his 2 rifles there. So this was extremely popular, these bars, last week. So I'm expecting to get some more pre-orders for these. These are usually, I think they're around 2.5 to 3.5 ounces, something like that. But they ended up looking awesome. They're kind of hard to pour, but they're really, really fun and awesome. So that's those. And then the new mold we're going to be offering tonight is this one here. This is the first time I've ever brought this out and ever tried to pour it. So it's going to be really exciting. But what it is a massive skull. So the skull is supposed to be around 5 ounces of silver. We'll see how it goes. It might be more like 4 to 7 range. I don't really know, but I really want to pour some skulls tonight. So if anyone wants to pre-order one of the new skull pieces, this will be the first time I'm doing them. And I'm really, really excited for this mold. Hopefully we get at least a couple people to pre-order these, because I want to see how they turn out. And these are going to look sick when they're antiqued. And the ripples will be good on those as well because that's a bigger one. So anyway, that's what we're offering tonight as far as pours. Like I said, if you want to pre-order anything, all you got to do is drop a comment in this video and let me know what you'd like to order, and then show up to the party tonight and you can watch me pour it live and pick out which piece you would like. Now for the giveaway, I'm actually going to be pouring a round live for the giveaway. I'll get it all stamped up and finished out before I ship it to whoever wins it. But at the very end of the pour party, we will do a giveaway of a silver round that I pour during the stream. So that'll be really fun and really cool. Excited for that. Now pricing is just the same as the last couple weeks. It's going to be $28 per ounce for anything over an ounce. And if it's an ounce or less, like a really tiny piece, those are $1 per gram. It's always free shipping to USA. Make sure to show up because we always have a fun time just chatting with you guys, and you can watch me do the pours. And I do have a new webcam that I'm going to be trying out tonight. It's a 4K webcam, so hopefully we get some really good resolution for you all. So yeah, that's the pre-order video. Hope to see you all tonight. Silver Dragons out.